Chuck Green here, and welcome under the hood. So, you know, we talk a lot about uplighting. It's been a real hot topic, especially amongst mobile DJs in the last year. And you guys know we've got these great Megabar 50 RGBs. We've got these profile panels. But, you know, we go to a lot of these shows and we hear people say, oh, well, I'm tired of cables and I want battery stuff. And we know there's some battery products out there. I kind of got one right here for you. And to me, I'd rather just plug something into the wall than deal with this sort of thing. So anyhow, thing's ridiculous. Anyhow, back to the Megapar. Oh, wait. Oh, how about that? This is our new Megapar and Megabar. Well, actually it's called Mega Go Par and Mega Go Bar series, battery operated uplights. So to start, this is our Mega Go Bar 50. It's a lot like our Megabar 50 RGB, only it's got a lithium ion battery in it. So over here is our new Mega Go Par 64, and this also has a lithium ion rechargeable battery. Now both of them, you don't have to use them battery powered if you don't want to. You can still plug your IEC right in, and I'll just turn the battery power off, but the regular power's on now, and it still has an IEC out. So you can use these exactly as you would have before, but if you need that battery power, if you're DJing while camping or uplighting in difficult areas where you don't have power, or if you just like the clean look, you can use the Go series. All right, I'm gonna show you the basic controls on the Mega Go Bar 50. So it's got the same 4-character LED menu, effects menu, color menu that you'll have in a Megabar 50. So we're not gonna go through that too much, but over here, you're gonna see something a little bit different. You see a load on switch and a battery on switch. Right now I'm plugged into power, so if I just use the load on switch, it's just my regular power switch. Now if I disconnect the power, you're gonna leave the load on switch on, but now we're gonna go to battery power. So it's as simple as that if you're gonna be using these for battery powered situations. But I can plug it back in, turn the battery off, but now it's charging. And as I mentioned earlier, you got IEC in and out, DMX in and out. It's a real easy fixture to use. Later on in the show, I'm gonna go and my friend DJ E-Tronic and I are gonna uplight a banquet hall in about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna open one of these up. It's gonna actually be pretty cool because it'll show you in the unlikely event you do need to replace the battery, you can. But just so you know, these batteries are good. Like I said, they're lithium ion batteries, but they're good for about 500 charges. So, I mean, if you're gigging twice a week, that'll last you almost a couple of years at least. So if you need to in the future, you'll be able to replace the battery, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, so I'm gonna take apart this Mega Go Par 64. I just kind of wanted to show you, it's really thin, low profile. It's hard to believe there's a lithium ion battery inside of here. But like I said, this is a 64, and just to kind of give you some reference, here's our other Mega Pro Par. So you can see this one is actually a little bit bigger. So anyhow, enough of that. I am gonna open my first Go Par. So I got it somewhat taken apart now. There's 6 screws to take the front lens off. It's got 4 screws to take your LEDs out. And I'm just gonna kind of pull those off to the side. And then there's another 4 screws that I already took out and then removed this plate. And lo and behold, here is the battery. So now I've got the battery removed, I've got the LEDs removed. Be careful when you're pulling the battery tray out. On the back, you've got the transformer for when you have it hardwired into the wall attached to the back here. But back here on the main PC board, there's just a simple little clip. Reach down there, pull it out, and now you're ready to replace your battery. If in the future you find yourself needing one of these, just go to americandj.com for more information and you'll get set up. So now, I'm gonna plug this back in. just like that. Put my battery tray back in, put my battery in the tray, cover on, and I'll finish putting this together. I won't bore you guys with that. All right, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go to a banquet hall and we're gonna do some real quick uplighting. It's the quickest uplighting I think I'll ever do, so we'll see you over there. All right, well here we are outside of a banquet hall. I'm with my friend DJ E-Tronic. He's gonna help me out. We're gonna uplight a room in less than 5 minutes, and since I know even watching that for 5 minutes would probably be boring, we'll speed it up a little bit for you. So, let's see here. We got our Go Pars. So, here's an extra one. We'll throw these down. Okay, well, we got them all down. I'm using the wireless remote to dial in the color. And as you can see, there's no wires, no mess, and you can imagine loadout's gonna be a lot quicker as well. So anyhow, let's get out of here so they can start their party. All right, thanks for checking us out, and thanks for taking a look at the Mega Go Bar 50 and the Mega Go Par 64. I'm Chuck Green, this has been Under the Hood. Thanks for your comments, leave them below. We'll see you next time.